So yeah, hello guys, and welcome to my new video. So today, as last time, we will be once again looking at the CS2 market and the market cap. So let's get right into it. I know last time I said we will be looking at some stickers. We will look at stickers in the other half of the video, but right now I want just to talk about the market because it's going absolutely crazy. Last time we spoke about the market, or I have released the latest video about the market. It was yesterday, and the market was at it was 3 million below 5.4 billion. Today, the market has just done something like 46 million, and we have broken the 5.4 billion market cap, and we are still rising. In the last 30 days, we have done almost 15%, which can be more than stocks in a whole year, and we have done this in 30 days. When we look at what is causing this, particularly, we can see that some of these things have just 8,000%, 6,000%, and it's the first one. The biggest gain here is BIG glitter in Shanghai, sticker Renegade's holo that we know that is pumping with the Evil Genius's holo, but I want to get back to the Steam market in just a bit. I want to stay here, so we will talk about that later. And generally, it's just stickers or the biggest gainers that have more than 1000% in gains. Evil Geniuses is here with 6000%. It's just going absolutely crazy. And when we scroll down, we can see that some skins are starting to reach the same level, and those are factory new fillers. How can a fizzy pop that is such an ugly skin, and I just right now don't know from what collection it is. It is from the train collection. I think that's Operation Riptide. Everyone was playing with it and it was so ugly. Right now, factory new version of this skin is costing $28 and it's still going up. It's the 276 most valued item of CS. I mean, when you just go down and look at these items, so first off are the stickers, and we scroll down and we just look. Mecha Industries Beta Scared, 971% in last 30 days. Sticker. Desert Eagle Mother. Tell me who plays with this skin. It's 900%. And this isn't natural because even an investor wouldn't be looking in investing in a Deagle Mother. The supply of this is 17,000, and that will be the only reason to invest in this skin. And I don't know what's the trade up of this. I will look it up real fast. Lake collection, but I will continue speaking. The only thing you would be buying this is low supply and people wanting to buying, having some demand. But who is buying the Eagle Mother in factory new? There's no really demand for this skin, nor trade ups. Let me look at the trade up. You can trade up into these skins, which the prices aren't correct right now because these are pretty low, even when the Deagle is costing right now $7, so this is not accurate. So I will just look at the Endonice Navy, Teardown, and Night Ops. Oh, okay. So these are trade up fillers, I think. I'm not sure, but these should be trade up fillers. But still, you are doing such a big percentage on a skin that is a Deagle Mother, or just an ugly skin. Just go to the next page, and here is the P90 Teardown we have just talked about. It's like collection 2, stickers, and of course the capsule is pumping because in this capsule it's the Evil Genius's holo. Right now I'm really careful with the market because it's not pretty safe to. Some people would say it's a good time to put the money in and try to make some profits, but I think this is too volatile and I don't see myself putting here money because you can buy something and the price can plummet the next day absolutely horribly. The one thing I want to show you, and is a good example of what I'm just speaking about, we are gonna go to CS Float. we are gonna go minimal where red line. You all know the red line, yeah? And we are gonna go to the AK. Just look at this. This is the best condition of the red line we have. There's no factory new. The best is minimal wear. Cheapest one, no, the best deal is listed for 450, but the cheapest one is listed for $397. Now we click, we look latest sales, and just look at this. The latest, the most latest sale we have here is 18 hours ago, and just look at this. 302, 4, 6, 7, 19, 20, 10, 15, 20, 25, 24. This is just going up in matter of 18 hours, and someone bought, I don't know, this is like 30 minimal wear AK red lines in a matter of 18 hours and pumped the price somewhere like $100. When we go to Price Empire and look at the AK, I'm gonna be fast and look at the AK. So we have talked about this, so the market is going crazy. I don't think it's really safe to put your money in. Even it maybe can, but not in these particular that are already pumping. As I said in the last video, look around the bubble. Never invest in the bubble. You will end up losing money. And I just saw this mother is just pumping in Chinese. I'm gonna look at this graph. Yeah, but still it's double the price. Yeah, it's pumping on all marketplaces, but Buff is going the craziest with it. Even here, $1 now 12. So yeah, it's pumping on all markets, but not as big as on Buff. And we are gonna go to the red line. Gonna go minimal red line. Just look at this. This price action is crazy. This is yesterday, 2 days ago. 250, 300, 400. This is Skimport. Steam, 384, 528. D-Market, 250, 300, 400. And it's all sites like this. This is... I would not invest in this red line in particular because it's already pumped. In 30 days you have done 95%. But we are gonna move to the next. I said look around the bubble. When I say look around the bubble, just I don't want to give you any particular items you should look into, because I think you should make your own opinion and make your own investments. But if you just want some tips on how to look for some of these, just go to the Price Empire. Try to look for the biggest losers or just skins that have consolidated, because if you are investing in a skin that is 200%, there's big probability it will just drop and you will lose your money. But if you are looking in skin that is consolidating, there's a big chance that the market manipulators haven't just saw it yet and can pipe it in the future, or can stay safe because hasn't had any price action, and people who are trying to look around the market just like you can start investing in it and pumping the price for you. I'm just not sure at this time if this is all manipulation or people are just trying to invest, but it's really risky at this time. Try to go looking for factory new skins, minimal wear skins. Try to, as I said, going for the biggest losers or that are consolidating, and skins with low supply or big demand. Also, I will give you one tip in investing something. Try classic knives, because I think classic knives are crazy. They have such a low supply to any other knife that you will look at, and the main thing is it's dropping only from one case. You have one case only from which it drops, no other case. This Fate has already gone 22%. I was thinking about investing in it, but I bought another knife that hasn't done as such beautiful percentages as the classic knife Fate. But I was thinking about it. If I would have bought it, I would have just done 22%. But if you look at the other, like Slaughter, it has just done 8%. It's a knife that's dropping from one case, the supply of it is nonetheless 2000, and the case reach like $2. If you would to open the most expensive item from the case, that is the classic knife fade, you are, even with the odds, you would lose. You have to get 380 cases to get one knife, and you will still lose with the odds, even though the case is worth something like $2. So if you want my advice, look in these classic knives, because I think they can get demanded. They are not such a horrible knives. I really like them. I like the idle animation. It's one of the not many knives that has idle animation, uh, like the butterfly knife. And I think they could be a good investment in the future. You can already see that on that classic knife fade, or just the slaughter having 8% in 30 days. Most butterfly knife, if I'm right, if I'm not in the wrong, are not having, yeah, these are stat tracks, you know, this is phase 3, 14%. But if we get out stat tracks, because those are less liquid, you cannot see much knives that are doing 22%. There is no knife that is doing 22%. And then you look under the 8, and you have here the typical picks. Autotronic is here. We go to the 8%, I'm gonna try. And you are looking at Crimson Webs, Butterflies, you have Tiger Tooth here, 7%. So it could, I think, overgrow it in the future. About the stickers, the Evil Geniuses Holo is going absolutely crazy with 221 euros. Fura right behind with 46 euros, but the one holo that is right now missing here is the Renegades holo. That's pumping with it. It's 83 euros. These stickers are going just parabolical, and I have tried looking just over the shoulder around the bubble, and in the last video, as I showed you, and will show you again, because it won't be long, it won't be for long, and these stickers have gone once again up, because the Evil Geniuses holo from last time we were looking was like 150, now it's 240 on the Steam market. And these stickers, yeah, I already made 5x just because I looked around the bubble. Once more here, I'm 2.5x. Last time I was looking, I was like 3x here, and he was like 1.5. So I doubled my money once again. So it's really important to look around the bubble. And today I was looking around the bubble, and I'm like, there are some stickers that are particularly cheap, especially this big and heroic. So try to look as much around the bubble with stickers, and this is really important, as with skins you want to buy factory news or minimal wares, because they are the most one that are getting pumped or have the biggest price moves, because people like to buy the factory new skins instead of field tested. Field tested more like for the play skin inventory, or the, for normal people, but investors or people that have high that have too much money are buying factory new. Now I was looking at this one. It's here listed for 70 cents, but it's only on two sites on 70 cents. I have already bought them, so this is not true anymore, but I have sniped these for 70 cents, and its real price can be 127. And if you look at another real stickers, the closest one is the Gamer Legion, that is absolutely ugly, but the next ones are here for 115. And in the future this could have incredible gains, because it's one of the not many majors that have really good looking holo effects and have really low supply. As we can see in Shanghai, people didn't invest in Shanghai, and what happened? Shanghai is the latest major before Austin, and it's one of the most expensive because the supply is just low, and these are the same, on the same level. So just look around the bubble, try to find stickers like these. I was looking into some more. I was thinking about if I can find it, if you give me just a second. I'm buying some cheap Copenhagen's, but for me, Copenhagen's are really ugly, even though the supply is really low. They are fucking ugly, and I won't buy them. But I was thinking about the Dryhold gaming too, because the holo effect is nice. And of course, as I was talking in the latest video, I will be investing in the Austin ones. And the last point I want to make is just be careful in the market. Really don't try to just hop on the trend and try to look around it, because as you can see, it already has been paid out for me by 5x in just a month, by looking around the bubble and not just jumping on it. Maybe you would have bigger gains if you would have jumped on the bubble, but this is much safer, and I'm buying sticker that isn't just manipulated but is moving with the price action because of the manipulated sticker, because people are investing in it and trying to get around it, and I hop on really early on that train. So thank you for watching. I would really be happy for some feedback in the comment section, because I think it is really good to have some feedback from you guys and what you think about this. If you have the same opinion as me and same thoughts as me, I would really be happy if you give me a like, if you subscribe, and I wish you a good rest of your day. See ya.